Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Node.js with NVM on Windows step by step clearly. First, open your web browser. Navigate to the official NVM for Windows GitHub page. Scroll down until you find the latest release. Download the NVM setup.zip file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded zip file. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All. Choose a destination folder for the extracted files. Open the extracted folder and double-click on nvmsetup.exe to initiate the installation. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard. When prompted, select the path where you want NVM to be installed. Next, you'll need to choose the directory for your Node.js installations. Make sure to check the option to add NVM to your system environment variables. Proceed with the installation until it is complete. Once NVM is installed, open the command prompt. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar. In the command prompt, type NVM version and press enter. This command checks if NVM was installed correctly. If you see a version number, NVM is ready to use. Now, let's install Node.js. Type nvm install latest to install the latest version of Node.js. Press enter and wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, type nvm use latest to set this version as the active version. To verify the installation, type node v and press enter. This command will display the currently active version of Node.js. You have successfully installed Node.js using NVM on Windows. Now, you can manage different versions of Node.js effortlessly. Enjoy coding with your new setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.